Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am sharing with you my latest project, and this is a design theme project for LineDotArrow and RachandBella Crafts. And I know I am very late. I'm sorry, Natalie and Rachel, but I know that you understand. This was supposed to be shared when Natalie and Rachel released the digital kit In Everything Give Thanks. But there are just so many things that are happening in my life and I don't craft all the time. But it's better late than never. So here it is. This project is very simple and very fun to do, and it is a mini blizzard book. And you can put tags and some ephemera in here. I fill this with tags and some small papers that I can use to journal. And this can fit my purse because it is very small. The size is 5.5 by 2 3/4 inches. And the kit that I used here was from RachandBella Crafts and LineDotArrow. It is called In Everything Give Thanks. The base of the cover is from a corrugated box, and I just matted with the papers from Digital Kit. It has an elastic closure. This can stand on its own. I added this pretty orange button, and this can move wherever I want it. I can also add some small charms, but I feel like the button is enough to decorate the cover. So let us take a look inside. You will see inside many butterflies and different sizes of tags. There are 3 sizes. All the back of the tags are blank, so I can journal there. So this is stamped. This one is embossed, and also the big tag is stamped. I printed the kit one-sided, and the pockets that you can see here are all matted with neutral colors and also some papers, small papers from the kit. Let us put everything back. And I can put more stuff in here, more ephemera if I want to. I have room. And this is a die-cut butterfly, but this page also has a pocket. And next page, we have more tags. Look at this design, so beautiful. Rach and Natalie, I love your design. Okay, so this is plain and this big tag is embossed. And in this page, I have some papers, some coupons. But look at this paper, beautiful. Okay, so some coupons, small pieces of papers, a doily, and here are some space where I can really journal. And the good thing is, because this book is very small, I can bring it anywhere with me, and if I would like to journal, add some quotes, I can do it easily. This is another pocket. So every page has a pocket. And here I just stamped a Bible verse and added a butterfly. And friends, I'm really sorry about the glare. I hope that this does not hurt your eyes too much. All the butterflies that I added to this book are stickers and they are shiny. And also the kit was printed on a somewhat glossy paper, so again I apologize for the glare. This is the last page, and here is where I hid the elastic. So I just stamped there, and I love this page too. So that was the front side, and now we look at the back side. So here I have some pockets and added small pieces of papers that I can also use to write my thoughts down. And this is the last page. Look at this design, so pretty. Okay, so this is the blizzard book. It can open and collapse, and I will show you the full page. So let's take a look one by one. So this opens. I can even use the wings or the pockets as my secret writing spot. If you would like to get hold of this beautiful kit, I will have the link in my description. The designs and the colors are very suitable for Thanksgiving and for fall, but I do not have any problem using this all year round. This is beautiful and I love the colors. It is also very timely for the US Thanksgiving. This can be a really nice table decoration. Instead of tags, you can present photos of your family and things that you are grateful for. And in a little while, I will show you how to make pages like this. It is really very simple, very fun, and you can do this in one sitting. Here is an example of a bigger piece. These are from 12 by 12 paper pads, and so that's the wing that you can attach to the cover, and these are the pockets. These are one-sided design. The pockets or flaps are matted with the papers with gold and neutral colors. And this flap will be added to the cover. The back, of course, are white papers. I can decorate these pages however I want, add pockets or tucks, or leave as is so they can be journaling spots. Alright, so let me show you how to fold those pages. I have here 3 papers. These are 12 by 12. and they are all double-sided. I will start with this paper, and all you have to do is fold the paper in half diagonally, so one corner to the other corner. So we now have a triangle instead of a rectangle. Try to really fold it well, as perfect as you can. You can use the bone folder also to really press that fold. The next step is to find the center. You can measure the center, but I will do it a different way. Let's turn the paper to the other side and make another fold. You can really fold it the same way we did it, but right now I am just pressing down the center. So I am trying to find the center, so not really creasing this side, and there I can see the center. Okay, once the center is visible, then you fold all the sides to the center, and in this step we have to really crease down all the folds. Okay, so now that all the sides are folded, we then fold it again in half, just like this. Now we have two flaps or two wings. I like the other design, so I am going to refold it. And if your paper is one-sided, then your wings or your flaps will all be white, and you can always mat them with your scraps or whatever paper you want to use. And now I am folding the other paper. So this is the second page. The number of papers that you fold will depend on how much or how big you want your book to be. And the size of your book will depend also on the size of your squares or the papers that we fold. If your square or your paper is 12 by 12 like this one, when everything is folded, your page will be about 8.5 by 4.25 inches. The mini book that I showed you using the kit from RachandBella Crafts and LineDotArrow measures 5.5 by 2.75 inches. And the squares or the papers that I folded measured 8.25 inches. So this paper is done, and we can glue them together. So we attach the wings or the flaps, and I am just using here a Fabri-Tac glue. You can use whatever glue you want. You can use a double-sided tape also. Just make sure that they are really aligned, and you just take your time here. And now we have 2 pages, but you can add as many pages as you want. So let's take a look at this again. I have used here 4 12 by 12 pads, and they look equally pretty, whether you have a double-sided paper or a single-sided, and you can really decorate this as much as you want. So this is the fun part. So here's the wing that you can attach to the cover. Let me show you my little one. So there it is. And I really think that this project makes a really nice gift, or can be a happy mail, a stocking stuffer, a presentation book. And I really hope that you give this a try. It is very simple, fun, and very easy. An easy closure can be an elastic just like this one. And I just hid it behind this butterfly. And I really hope that you like this project. So what do you think, friends? Please leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Again, the kit is from RachandBella Crafts and from LineDotArrow, and all the information will be in my description. So thank you again so much for staying here with me. I'd like to take this opportunity also to invite you once again to join us in the A to Z of Christmas craft collaboration hosted by RachandBella Craft. It is ongoing. We are now on day 13. I will also have a playlist specific for this collaboration so you can check out all the videos if you missed them. And our host, RachandBella Craft, also has her playlist. My turn to present is on the 28th of November, so I hope that you stay tuned. I'm also trying to craft along with the presenters as much as I can, and I will share with you my projects following their tutorials very soon. Also, I have a giveaway. I will have 3 prizes and I will share with you those in my next video. To join the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber to my channel, 18 years or older. Watch all the videos of the A to Z of Christmas craft collaboration and comment on all those videos. RachandBella Crafts also is giving away a beautiful journal at the end of the collaboration, and she is presenting on the 1st of December. She is the last presenter, and her criteria is also that you are a subscriber to her channel and also that you watch all the videos in the collaboration, also comment on all the videos. And I hope that you also join her giveaway because her journals are beautiful. Again, Rachel from RachandBella Crafts. So there you go, everyone. Thanks again very much for watching and for supporting my channel. And please join my YouTube family if you're not subscribed yet. Take care. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.